We from the government, we are very serious on these issues, and we are trying to solve these issues for finding a permanent solutions at the earliest.
Minister in charge, Urban Affairs Nyao Bhalang Dhar said the government is looking for a permanent waste management site in Jowai Town and its adjoining areas. Replying to a question raised by United Democratic Party legislator Nujorki Sungo about the problem of waste management, Mr. Dhar added it would set up a scientific processing plant at the earliest.
C. So the plan is to procure a suitable land for the purpose of a sanitary landfill.
Mr. Speaker, sir, even though the issue has been extensively discussed and replied yesterday, but still, I would like to get some clarity from the Honorable Minister, sir. So since you already mentioned about the motions die yesterday, so I would just like to know from the Honorable Minister, sir, whether the municipal department has already started using the this particular lot for dumping of garbage or not.
Mr. Speaker, yes, it has been used just as a temporary landfill only, and this last 4th of March, public hearing was conducted to be for the permanent one. So we are awaiting the report from the Deputy Commissioner for the report on which held on the 4th March, and as soon as we get the report and if everything goes well and all the norms are fulfilled, then the government will acquire the land and will process for the new landfill.
Why I'm asking this particular question, Mr. Speaker, sir, because as per the information that I got, till date, more than 800 trucks of garbage has been dumped in that particular area. Despite all the protests that has been made from the villagers, from the different section of the society, but still the department from time to time they keep on dumping the garbage in that particular area. So it is very much contradict to the statement that was made by the Honorable Minister on the 7th of March, where he said that until and unless everyone is on board, they will not go against the will of the people. But in this particular case, it is different. Despite being protested by people from time to time, even the report of on the 4th of this month also, for the public hearing, the people of that area, they are against it. But in spite of the protests, why did the department keep on dumping again and again?
So, Mr. Presently, sir, dumping in that area is presently it was stopped because a few groups are protested, and therefore we have identified for another temporary landfills, and it was in this place presently we didn't dump it anymore because there is a few groups protesting. It was right has been mentioned by the honorable member. So therefore also now we didn't dump anymore in that same place. So therefore we are waiting for a final report from the Deputy Commissioner.